In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manually back up data from your iPhone to iCloud. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then, at the very top, tap at your name to open up Apple ID, where you should tap at iCloud. And right here, you can easily find iCloud Backup. Just get into it. Here, first off, make sure that this feature, which is called Backup this iPhone, turned on. If that feature toggled off, just hit on that to turn it on. And as long as this feature is enabled, that allows iCloud to automatically back up your iPhone. But if you want to back up it manually, you can tap right here where it says Backup Now, and then just tap at Continue. And it will start backing up your device. Depending on the size of all your data, it may take some time. So now you are free to hop out Settings, and the whole process will go automatically in the background. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.